Vedansh?
Good morning.
Are you writing your SA1 exam?
Yeah.
Very good. All the best.
Yes.
Start writing. You need to tick the fruits.
This is fruit vegetable vegetable tick mark చేయాలా చేయకూడదు కదా erase చేయి you
Tick only the fruits.
What is this?
Watermelon.
Muskmelon. Muskmelon fruit or vegetable?
Vegetable.
Vegetable muskmelon. Fruit. Muskmelon. ఏంటి?
Pineapple.
Yes, this one. ఏంటిది? Capsicum fruit or vegetable? Vegetable.
Orange.
Okay. This one?
Onion.
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 Fruit or vegetable? Onion. Vegetable. Okay.
Fruit.
Fruit. Grapes. Tomato. Fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. Okay.
Turn the page now. What do you need to do there?
Circle vegetable in the given picture.
Vegetables only, circle the vegetables now.
Okay. What is this?
Carrot.
Okay. Say that word and then circle.
This. What is this? Cucumber. Okay. Cucumber is vegetable. Okay. What is this?
Grapes.
Grapes of fruit or vegetable? Fruit. Okay. Next. What is this? Tomato. Tomato fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. Okay. So okay. What is this? Strawberry. Strawberry fruit or vegetable? Fruit. Okay. What is this?
Lemon.
Lemon fruit or vegetable? Fruit. Potato fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. Okay. Okay. What is this? Carrot. This is radish. It's carrot. Okay. Vegetable. Okay. What is this? Okay. Idi. What is this? Guava. Guava fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. Guava. No. Fruit kada vegetable. What is this?
Clear that first. With eraser. Use eraser there.
What is this? What is this? Bottle guard. Okay.
Good job. Turn the page.
Next. Okay, matching.
What is that? Can you match it?
Okay.
Can you match with the letter? Picture with the letter?
Chicken.
Okay.
Hen.
Hen. Hen starting with the letter?
H.
Wonderful.
Wow. What is this?
Lemon.
11.
E.
Very
Okay,
good. Wonderful.
What is this?
Goat.
Goat.
G.
Very
G
good.
for
Proceed.
goat.
Wow.
What is this?
Pepper.
Flower.
F.
Very good.
F ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూసి.
Where is F?
ఎక్కడ?
లేవుక
ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఉంది.
Okay, you write it there. Right? F letter is missing. Ma'am will help you. Very good. Next,
What is this?
duck
starting with the letter.
D
D
Very
for
good.
duck.
Proceed.
Okay.
లేవు
D ఎక్కడ ఉంది సచ్?
ఎతి
Very
Okay.
good. That is the one. Yeah.
Okay.
You are reaching my expectations.
D for
Good job.
ఏంటిది?
balloon
Balloon.
Hmm.
Okay.
okay
B for balloon.
ant
Ant.
F for ant
Okay.
Okay. Good
Nice.
job.
Okay.
Turn the page. Sit properly. Hold your legs. Very good. Now,
What is this?
airplane
Aeroplane. No, this is not matching. Okay. Circle letter.
letter circle. You need to circle the letter. First letter to be circled.
Okay.
Yes, very good.
What is this?
cap
Cap starts with the
C
C.
Circle.
Okay. What is this?
bolt
Egg ఉంది కదా మధ్యలో. ఓకే. ఎగ్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ లెటర్ ఏ ఈ. ఓకే. వాట్
Very
ఈస్
good.
దిస్?
boat
బోట్.
Tootie
Two are there. Okay, select one. First one. Yes, very good. Next one.
doll
డాల్.
Where is
Doll
the
starts
letter?
with?
Doll. Starts with
డాల్. ఓకే. సర్కిల్.
circle. Next one. That is the one.
ఓకే.
Next.
వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్?
coconut
గోవా.
guava
గోవా స్టార్ట్స్
First letter. Very good.
Okay.
Good job. What is that? Starting with the letter.
House starts
Very
with H.
Good job.
What is this?
quack
Frog.
Very
Frog
good.
starts with F.
Good job.
Hold
Now
your
turn
legs.
the page.
Hold your
Hold your
legs.
legs. Turn the page.
Identify and circle letter Q